Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the workspace safe and accessible. Wear eye protection and gloves, then disconnect power, unplug or remove the battery, so the tool cannot start. Once done, secure the material in a vise or clamp to prevent rotation and position the drill on a stable surface. Next, open the keyless chuck or remove the chuck key. Make sure to keep the key where you can find it. Begin loosening the bit by turning the chuck counterclockwise while holding the spindle if required. You now focus on extracting the core bit. Hold the spindle lock or grasp the drill firmly to stop rotation, then rotate the chuck counterclockwise to loosen the jaws. If the bit is seized, use the chuck key or an adjustable wrench on the flats of the arbor. Apply steady, controlled force to avoid sudden release. Once loose, pull the core bit straight out to avoid damaging the shank. Inspect both the bit shank and the arbor for wear, chips, or debris before proceeding. You finish by installing the replacement core bit correctly. Insert the shank fully into the arbor, aligning any flats so the bit seats against the shoulder. Once seated, hand tighten the chuck clockwise. After that, use the chuck key or wrench for a final, firm engagement. Do not over-torque. Reconnect power and test at low speed while holding the drill steady. Observe run-out and listen for unusual vibration. If the bit wobbles or binds, stop immediately and reseat the shank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.